Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kini kilong ki khubor ki bam menta kasni. Kajingja bompat syamla juja. Kalaja menta kasni haka pratarik u Agos. Bakat ba kat dorbar jong ki MP ka Raja Sabha. Kadang ya chapo jong kaying dorbar ba. Huwei na ki MP ka seng TMC kata u Derek O'Brien. Ula syak weng no sywa shipor. Na kaying dorbar hadu bandakut hibaro kawei jong katay ka dorbar ka badangsa. Kadaw jong kajing syak suspend utay MP ka seng TMC. Kaday halor ba ula wanra bad dawa. Baday ban yakren halor ka jingja ham Manipur. Katkum ki kendon jong karul arspa ruphunyo. Unong yalam kaying dorbar kata u Piyush Goyal. Ulara iya katay kamat baday ban weng no sywa shipor yaw Derek O'Brien. Napo kaying dorbar. Namar ka jing pentut pelat jong u. Bat ka jing bom brom jong u. Ya uklidu badai ban pej. Ya ketika dorbar kabamenta.
Sir.
Point of order.
Yes, sir. We need to communicate. We are ready for a discussion on Manipur. But not the way they want it.
Mr. Derek O'Brien,
Sir,
are you
I'm looking at the
determined?
numbers.
One
Sir, I'm
second.
looking at the number. 92.
Yes, which rule?
The rule is 267. The leader of the opposition has been asking for a discussion
Take
on
your seat.
Manipur.
Take your
You
seat.
allow the discussion
Take your
on
seat.
Manipur. That's my point.
Honorable members, I name Mr. Derek O'Brien. He must leave the house. I name him. Move it over there. Yes.
I wish to move a motion for the suspension of Mr. Derek O'Brien for the remainder of this session for continuously and willfully disturbing the proceedings of the House, for disobeying the chair and for continuously creating disturbance in the House.